Hello guys.
We are trying to buy a Karcher high pressure washing. There are different models, but we don't know which one to choose.
That's the color of the year.
Yeah.
No.
189.90 euro. Quite expensive, but I think it's a good product. So Tikai, what do you think? That's a good buy, this one, this model?
I think so, if
This
you're the one who pays.
K4 power control Karcher.
It's not a sponsor of the mark, huh?
No, but we really need a new one because the old one that we have is already broken.
Yeah.
So I think
It's okay. I'm ready to spend that amount.
okay, Tikai. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're the one who pays.
Your Visa card will be burning.
As usual. Hello.
So we decided to buy this model, the 4K Karcher, famous brand, famous German brand from Germany.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's from Germany. This high pressure washer, high pressure.
I think so.
And then we bought also this soap, because this bottle you can also adapt to this washer, so that you can use it also to wash your car. You have also different kind of soap or products to clean the tiles, to clean other things, walls.
The gates.
And this
the
one
door
is
of the garage.
yeah, and this one is for the car. So we are going to unbox this product in front of you.
The one who cut it.
First unboxing of our life, TK. Imagine. So you have the honor to cut the string. Yes.
Hey.
Sorry.
Wow.
So this machine cost 189 euro, but today there was a discount of 20 euro, so we bought it for 169 euro.
It's for what? Oh, this.
Oh, it's all in pieces, so I think we have maybe an hour or 2 hours to assemble everything. So this is one wheel, another wheel. This is the gun.
No.
If you are not nice with me,
No, can I borrow? Money or life? Money or life? Money.
it's your pal.
Achoo. So
These
how
are
to
the
take
books.
out this one? Hoopla.
Okay. So that's the main part with the engine and the host,
The pipe.
the cable, electric cable.
A few minutes later.
So guys, this is the final product. We assembled it. It took about what, 15 minutes?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. There is a guide how to assemble it. It's not so clear, but we did it. Okay, so that's it. We will try it. We will show you on another video how to use it. And see, you can do like this.
So
Yeah. So I hope it was like this. It was interesting for you. If maybe you want to buy a high pressure washer, you know, Karcher. That's a very good brand.
it's not a sponsor.
It's not a sponsor. We don't get any money for that. We just bought it this morning and just wanted to show you this washer.
We really need it.
Yeah. Okay, Tikai, that's it. If you like this
So-
video, big thumbs up, please.
And thank you very much for watching.
And we see you next time.
See you next time, and always think positive.
Yes, Tikai. Little shampoo?
No, I washed my hair this morning.
Okay,
Okay,
bye-bye.
thank you so much, guys.
See you.
Bye.
So I will try it on this wall, which is very dirty. So this is before. You see how it's dirty? Look at this. Even the lamp is so dirty. To show you how it looks like. Look at the difference. This is before and this is now after using this Karcher K4 power control. Let's continue. So I clean this wall in about 15 to 20 minutes, all the way, even the lamps. You see the result? Very clean. So I'm very satisfied of this high pressure cleaner Karcher K4 power control.